Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just don't move back or you're back out of the picture,
Right,
okay?
okay.
So John, what is driving TOA's growth in Latin America? Over the last 2 years, you've gone from virtually zero to,
Sure.
and tell us about where you are today.
Sure, thanks. TOA's growth in Latin America has really been driven by, I'd say, three major factors. The desire of our customer base to deliver great customer service to their customers. So number one. Secondary is the desire for those same customers to be able to build increasing efficiencies into their delivery. And so if you seek great customer service and you put into place the processes that require to deliver that great customer service, you also increase your efficiencies tremendously. And the third piece is really to enable their technicians, their mobile employees who are showing up at customers' homes and businesses. They realize those employees are their first line. They're often the only employee who sees a customer face to face, and they've got to improve and increase and enhance that experience for that customer. It's a competitive market for them, and this is a real way to differentiate. The other thing I'd say about Latin America and our business in Latin America is the adoption of cloud technology is just, they are there, they're ready for it, they're leapfrogging old technology by going straight to the cloud and straight to mobile devices, and it's been an incredible 2 years for us. As you said, we had 0 customers, 0 employees, 0 revenue in Latin America 2 years ago, and we've gone to 50 employees in the region, 10 great customers, and about 20% of our revenue now comes from Latin America.
And you talked about Latin America being able to leapfrog some of the similar type companies in the U.S. or other parts of the world. What specifically are they leapfrogging?
So I use the term leapfrogging to refer to that the customers in Latin America didn't have or hadn't installed an older legacy application. They weren't running a system inside their own IT shop. They hadn't built a system inside their IT. So when it came to going from what was probably mostly manual or paper-based systems, they said, geez, we're going to leapfrog that. We're not going to go install, we're not going to build our own, we're going to go right to the cloud. And they're taking, not only are they taking their mobile workforce management solutions to the cloud, but they're looking at other areas of their business and taking those technologies to the cloud as well.
And we talked in Latin America, it's mostly consumer driven by carriers looking to reduce their OpEx. How about other parts of the world that might be looking, some of your partners or you directly working with enterprise customers to apply the same workforce product?
Sure. So all over the world, there's customers like we have in Latin America who are driving efficiencies and increasing the customer experience that are focused on consumer. You're correct. But there are also a growing and increasing number of customers, and they'll be here in Latin America as well. But they're in Europe and they're in the United States who have SLA agreements, who have continuation of service agreements, who have repair agreements with their customers, mostly businesses obviously, and they're looking for a similar technology. They need to have their employees show up on time with the right equipment, right tools to be able to make sure they can complete the repair or the upgrade or whatever it might be. But the other thing, they're also sort of another level is employee empowerment and enablement. So using a mobile device, getting all the information they need to be able to work on or repair or upgrade whatever piece of equipment they're servicing.
John, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome. Thank you.